Hello guys, thank you for joining me on this new video. I want to cover something that might have happened to you. Is basically when you created the server or you created your application, you provided a name with a misspelling and you want to change it. So it's something really quick that I want to show you. It's not going to take too long. Before I dive in here on Cloudways how to do that, just make sure if you don't already have an account, you're gonna find in the description there a link that's gonna allow you to create an account with a free trial, right? And as well, you're gonna find there a promo code that you can use as well to get 10% off for the next 3 months, for the first 3 months. Okay, so let's jump back in here, and if you already have your account, just follow along with me. So maybe you want to know how we we go about changing the server name or the application name. So we're just gonna come in here, click on the server, and what you're gonna find right on top here, we have a little pencil. So we're just gonna click on it, and maybe this server here just serves all our customer in the US. So we selected when we created that. So you see over here the location is in New York. So instead of calling it maybe DO server, I wanna rename it. I'm gonna say this is USA server, and I'm just going to do that. He has been renamed. Okay, and same thing as well for the application. When we're gonna go down here, this is the name of the application, and maybe there was a misspelling, or maybe we just want to change the name. So right now I just provided this generic name over here, but I can come over here as well for with the pencil, and over here I'm just gonna say earphones e-commerce site. I just add this, and it's gonna be added here, and it's gonna be renamed. So this is just a small little tip that I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below, and I will be back with another video.